Hi students, this is Rajendra. Welcome to Rajendra Reddy Chemistry Point. In previous video, we discussed about degree of unsaturation. Now in this video, we are going to discuss about the classification of organic compounds. How organic compounds are classified. Let us discuss. Let us discuss with examples. So yeah, first of all, organic compounds are classified into two types generally. So first one is open chain. Open chain. Okay, this classification is based on the whether it is open or closed. So open chain. It is also called as acyclic, or also called as aliphatic organic compounds. Okay, open chain or acyclic or aliphatic. Now second classification is cyclic. Okay, second classification is cyclic. One is open chain or acyclic or aliphatic, another is cyclic. Okay, so here in the open chain also, here open chain in the means here the chain is like this: CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3, like this. Now this is open chain. Cyclic means it is closed. For example, CH2, so CH2, CH2, CH2. This is closed chain, means cyclic. This is cyclic and cycle laga kanapadutundi. This is open chain. So again, open chain is classified into two types. Open chain hydrocarbons are classified into two types. So one is saturated, another is unsaturated. One is saturated and another is unsaturated. So what are saturated? Saturated means it has only CC single bonds. Whatever the compound which have only CC single bonds are known as saturated. Let us take an example. So ethane is the best example, and propane is also best examples. So CH3 bond CH3. So in case of propane, CH3 bond CH2 CH3. Now these two are the saturated hydrocarbons. Okay, so here saturated organic compounds. Now unsaturated. So it means that it has CC double bond or as well as CC triple bond. In between the two carbons, whether it is double bond is there or triple bond is there. Now saturated hydrocarbons are also known as, these are also named as alkanes. Now unsaturated, again two types. So here alkenes, alkynes. So unsaturated hydrocarbons are classified into alkenes and as well as alkynes. So alkenes means they have CC double bond. Alkynes means they have CC triple bond. Let us take an example. So here ethene. So structure is like this: CH2 double bond CH2. And second one example is propane. CH2 double bond CH3. So this is alkenes. Alkenes means they have triple bond. For example, ethane. In between two carbons, triple bond is there. Ethane, CH triple bond, ethane, CH triple bond, CH. Propane, CH triple bond C, CH3. So the most important, you remember that ane means CC single bond. Ene means CC double bond. Ine means CC triple bond. Okay, this is about the open chain organic compounds. That is, open chain compounds acyclic or aliphatic. So these are classified into saturated, unsaturated. Saturated are nothing but alkanes. Unsaturated again divided into two types: alkenes and as well as alkynes, based on the CC double bond, triple bond. So this is completely one side. Now another side, it is classified into cyclic, or also known as alicyclic, are also called as ring compounds, are also called as closed chain. So all these are the names. Okay, so here another side is cyclic or alicyclic, ring or closed chain. All these are the names for another side. Now again here, this is cyclic compound. Cyclic compounds are again classified into two types. One is homocyclic, another is heterocyclic. One is homocyclic and another is heterocyclic. Homocyclic are nothing but it is also called as carbocyclic. Carbocyclic. So also called as carbocyclic. Homocyclic means in that cycle only carbon atoms are there. Means the cycle which have only carbon atoms. For example, cyclopentane. So here CH2, okay, CH2, so you can observe here, you can clearly observe here, in the cycle only carbon atoms are there. So this is homocyclic. Now heterocyclic means in that cycle along with the carbons some other heteroatoms are there. Heteroatoms are nothing but oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur or phosphorus. These also may be present. Let us take example here. So this is pyridine. Pyridine is a best example, okay, for the heterocyclic compound. Not only pyridine, furan also example. Furan is also example, okay. So this is about the heterocyclic, this is about the homocyclic. And again, homocyclic is classified into two types. Heterocyclic is also classified into two types. So here homocyclic is classified into two types, alicyclic and as well as aromatic. Alicyclic, the best example is, for example, here in this only carbon atoms are present in the chain. So simple. So here cyclopentane is the example. And aromatic is again classified into two types. For this aromatic, the best example is benzene. So this is the best example, aromatic. So this aromatic is again classified into two types. So one is benzenoid, another is non-benzenoid. Okay, so benzenoid and non-benzenoid. Benzenoid means they contain the benzene as a ring, benzene as the main ring. So here this is the example, that is naphthalene. Okay, for the non-benzenoid, best example azulene. This is the best example for the non-benzene. So now coming to the, so here this is about the homocyclic. Carbocyclics are again divided into two types, alicyclic and as well as aromatic. Alicyclic is this one, aromatic is again two types, benzenoid and as well as non-benzenoid. So coming heterocyclic compounds are again divided into two types. One is aromatic and another is aliphatic. So for the aromatic, the best example is, so pyridine is the best example. So not only pyridine, pyrrole is also best example. So for here, aliphatic, tetrahydrofuran, THF, tetrahydrofuran is the best example for aliphatic. So this is about the classification.
థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్. ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి, మన ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.